Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to edit your PDF files for free using LibreOffice Draw. If you're ready, open LibreOffice Draw and click the File tab in the upper left corner. Then, click Open. And in the window that opens, select the PDF file you want to edit and click Open button. Now you can change, move, and basically edit the text in your PDF file as you wish. To save it as a PDF after you've finished editing, click the File tab in the menu above. Then, hover your mouse cursor over Export As and select Export as PDF. Here you can change the PDF export settings as you wish. Once you have adjusted everything as you wish, click the Export button. Finally, choose where to save your edited PDF file and click Save. I hope this step-by-step guide video on how to edit your PDF files for free has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.